Hey, how you doing, YouTubers? Today I'm going to show you how to install a floating shelf. Okay, these are from TEMU. These are very cheap. This is the way they come from TEMU on the box, nicely wrapped. There is 4 of them. Inside, on the back side, they have a bracket and some anchors. In this case, we're going to use the drywall anchors, which are right here. Okay, I had already installed these two and they come out perfect. Look at that beautiful level. Okay, so the way you're going to start is, this is your bracket and it has a side, and the way you're going to find out which side it is because this side has some screws where it's supposed to go. Right here, see, it's supposed to be facing down, so it's supposed to go like that. Okay, so you're gonna start with your starting point right there, and then you're gonna make your other holes. You're gonna level it, and then you're gonna slide it, and then you're gonna install your 2 screws, and then that's it. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I already pre-drilled this one, so I'm gonna show you how to do the other ones. This is the most important part, to start the first one, so you can level it and mark your holes. Okay, so once you do the first one, it's downhill. It's very easy. Okay, so once you did your first screw, you're going to tighten it out real good. Okay, then you're going to put your level, and then you're going to put it, you're going to level it where you want it. See, it's right there. Okay, so it's right there. Then you're going to grab a marker. In this case, I have this white marker, and then I'm going to mark the holes where they're supposed to go. Okay, it's right there and right there. Okay, make sure you don't move them. So, okay, so your holes are right there. So we're just going to proceed now to, we're going to remove these, and then what you're going to do is you're just going to raise it up. And now you have your holes. Your 1, 2, 3. Okay, and now we're going to pre-drill. We're going to put some tape. We're going to pre-drill this 3, and then we're going to start the anchors. Okay, we're going to put some tape. This is the way you put it. You first put half of it, and then you fold it in order to get like a little spatula waiting for it. Okay, so there you go. Now we have some tape, so we're going to do some holes. Okay, so just whenever you do, be careful. Make sure there is no pipes behind it, behind the wall, so you don't punch them. Okay, so there's 1, 2, and 3. You see how the tape caught pretty much everything? Not all of it, but it's very, very clean job like that. All right, so now we're going to proceed to install the anchors. Okay, look, I love these things. These are beautiful. You started with your hand first. They can stay in one place. They're ready to be skirting. Okay, so now I'm going to remove the tape carefully, because it's going to spill all of that dust. Okay, look at the beauty of these anchors. They just go in. See, very easy. Okay, that's it. And all we're gonna do is connect our holes. See, they're all lined up. Beautiful, beautiful work. So we're just gonna put the screws in there. You can even start it by hand. Okay, they're all started. Then now, look at that. When you start hearing the sound of, see that? That's a good sound. That means the screws stayed in there. See how beautiful that is? Okay, so now they're all in. They're all perfectly installed. Okay, then you check your level. Make sure it's good. Look at that. Perfect. Okay. And then we're going to slide in the shelf. The shelf comes with 2 holes in it, which is going to go that way. And it's got the 2 little screws on the bottom. So we're going to slide it in. There you go. See? Beautiful. You don't see nothing. So now it also comes with the little screws that goes on the bottom. That goes down there to tighten them up. Okay, so let me start them and see how easy they align. Okay. I was surprised how easy they aligned at the first try. But let's see, this one maybe not. Maybe you gotta jiggle it a little bit until you find it. Okay, well, let me find it. Let me make sure it's in the hole. Because the other one did pretty easy, but maybe you have to pull it out a little or something. Okay, I did find the hole for the second one. I struggle a little bit because you have to find the hole inside, and that's it. But that's it. That's it, guys. This is how you install a beautiful floating shelf from TEMU. Very cheap. You know, on my channel, I don't like to spend a lot of money on things. I'm cheap. That's why I'm a DIYer. But I like beautiful things, and this is a beautiful shelf. 4 for less than 15 bucks. Great. All right, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Okay. Like I said, look, this got a side. So all you gotta do is just slide them in. Slide them in when they're done and bolt them down. Look at that. Perfectly spaced on both sides. Perfectly spaced up and down from the floor down. Perfectly. All right, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Like and subscribe. And don't forget to attach your 2 little bolts on each one. That's the only part you're going to struggle a little to find that little hole. But other than that, great. All right, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Bye, amigos. Just like and subscribe.